wa gatatu, he made a very good request. Akigia na rita ria ku request undu wari mwega muno, haria tuthomeirwo twerwo atiriri, one day agithie na kindu gigwitwo nyamu 1,000. He made a sacrifice, akirutira Ngai igongona ria nyamu 1,000. Arikia kuruta igongona riu agikenia Ngai muno. No tukocio Ngai akemumirira na kiroto na kemuria atiriri, tondu ni unjikite wega ni undu wa kuruta igongona riu ri, what do you want, Solomon? Nake Suleimani akiamba akimwira, I am so happy ni undu uria uturanitie na baba, uria wana murwirira, uria mwana twarana nake, uria mwana ikarania na my dad. No akimwira atiriri, wira uyu ni muritu muno, wira wa gutongoria andu ni muritu muno. Nie kindu kiria ndirahoya uhe kindu gigwitwo ugi, give me wisdom. Hindi ria hoire ugi, Ngai agikenio muno ni Suleimani, akimwira tondu ndunahoya utonga. Thikiriria haha, tondu ndunahoya utonga. Undu wa keri, tondu ndunoiga nine thu ciaku, ningugia na rita ria gukuhe ugi, na ningi ningukuongerera utonga, ona ningi nindirikurwagirira ona kuri thu ciaku. He made a very good request. Mundu gwetwa Suleimani. We are talking about his stats. Undu ungi wa kana wa Suleimani uri anjiriirie, he was a very humble and respectful. Ari mundu wa kwinyihia na mundu wari na gitio. Muthenya umwe mundu gwetwa Suleimani agicererwo ni mami wao Berishiba akimucerera. Hindio ari muthamaki, he was the king. Hindi rionire nyina ni aingira, akiuma giti-ini giake kia unene, agithii haria nyina ari, akigeithia nyina, akimuinamirira, akimwitiria giti kingi kihana ta gia uthamaki, akimuikaria hau, akimwira mami ukwenda atia. He was a very humble, he was a very respectful mundu gwetwa Suleimani akianjiriria. Undu ungi wa Suleimani, he dependent on God. Akiiga mwihoko wake, akiiga kirigiriro giake hari Ngai. Mundu gwetwa Suleimani, mundu gwetwa Suleimani, at the beginning he accomplished many projects. Agikorwo kwina project ya gwaka hekaru nyumba ya Ngai, agiaka hekaru yari the most beautiful, the most magnificent temple. Akiruta wira ucio wothe. Mundu gwetwa Suleimani, he had a good prayer line. Ne mundu wahoyaga Ngai, ne mundu waragia na Ngai. At the beginning he used to pray. Mundu wa mwisho ni atiriri, mundu gwetwa Suleimani ri, even he wrote many books. Netuonaga ni andikire ibuku ria Proverbs, ni andikite Ecclesiastes, ni andikite the Songs of Songs. Ni ndirenda wone maundu macio mothe mariekire. But don't forget, my dear brethren, message ito ya muthenya wa umuthi, a good start it is not enough. A good start, it is not enough. Finish strong.